Example 3, again, I'm going to just skim through this and then look for the goal for this problem. The goal for this problem is to find the amount of each loan. The amount of each loan. So each loan, that means there's probably more than one loan. So I would skim through this again and look for what am I looking for. So we have one loan that is 5% simple interest, and the other is 3% simple interest. So I'm going to jot that down. So the loan amount at 5% interest let's call that x equals, and the loan amount at 3% interest, y equals. All right, so now let's go back and read the question and jot down some more relevant information. Here we have Demarian's 2 student loans total $28,000. So the 2 loans total $28,000. That means x plus y equals 28,000. One loan is 5% interest, and the other is 3% interest. After 1 year, Demarian owes $1,040 in interest. So the total interest owed is $1,040. Now we need to come up with the equation to solve for what we're looking for. We do have one where it says x plus y is equal to 28,000. That means y, if we solve for one of their variable, y equals 28,000 minus x. So y is the same thing as 28,000 minus x. All right, now we have another one that says total interest. The total interest came from both accounts. Interest from the 5% interest account and the interest from the 3% interest account. That total is $1,040. Interest, simple interest. We know that the formula for simple interest is I equals PRT. P is the initial amount. R is the rate in decimal. And T is the time. We know that from this problem it says after 1 year, so T would be equal to 1. Now let's use this formula and apply that to the interest for the first account. The initial amount put into the first account is x, and the rate is 0.05. The time is 1 year. Interest from the second account, 3% interest. 28,000 minus x amount is put into the account or loan. And then the interest is 3%, so 0.03, and the time is 1 year. Now we have an equation and we can solve for this one. X times 0.05 times 1, that's 0.05x. 0.03 times 1 is 0.03. We got to distribute this to 28,000 and then distribute to the x. 0.03 times 28,000 is equal to 840 minus 0.03 times x equals $1,040. Next, we combine the like terms. 0.02x plus 840 equals 1040. Subtract 840 from both sides. 0.02x equals 200 Divide both sides by 0.02. That gives us x equals $10,000. Now, since x is $10,000, y is 28,000 minus x. So 28,000 minus 10,000 gives us $18,000. So the amount, the loan amount at 5% interest is $10,000, and the amount at 3% interest is $18,000.